It's important to understand how to turn the MACOM radio scan off when front seat riders are responding to important incidents. The key is that we do not lose important information that's being relayed by the incident commander. So the process is as follows. So we get dispatched to a fire call, and the dispatcher en route tells us to go to, for example, Ops 4. You switch the radio to Ops 4, okay? And in this position, the radio is defaulted where it is scanning all the time. So when you are on Ops 4, you will consistently hear other transmissions, EMS, things that are being dispatched. To shut the scan off, what you have to do is then you start to move the button, the up or down button, and you will see things change at the bottom. You'll see different things move up and down. So what you need to do is you need to move to what it says fixed, okay? Fixed. Once you get to the fixed mode, you hit the right button, okay, the right arrow key, and it says no scan. Very simple, very easy to do. Just the up button and then the right button, and then it'll be scanning, no scan. It'll be on Ops 4. We'll be hearing all the transmissions. You will not be able to hear any other transmissions on any of the other talk groups, except if there is a Mayday, and it will default to the Mayday channel or the Mayday talk group. So, very simple operation. It is important to do that every time you are responding on a call, specifically a structure fire. Another important task for front seat riders is operating the computer system. The computer system is designed to get you to a specific address and quickly and efficiently. So what you'll need to do is once you get on scene or once you get dispatched, you'll need to type in the address of the call. One of the easiest ways to get the exact address is by using the On-Scene Explorer and the I Am Responding app. So what you need to do is you could go to, on the I Am Responding app, incidents. All right, for example, you have incidents, and we're going to use the concept of 5850 Carlisle Pike. That was a call that was recent, 5850 Carlisle Pike, so you have the exact address. So with that, we'll type in, come over, move your cursor over to the enter street number, and we'll go 5850. And then you could do a tab to enter street name. And all you have to do is put C-A-R-L-I-S-E. You could type Carlisle or just the first few letters of Carlisle Pike. Then you're going to want to hit the go arrow, okay? The go arrow will take you specifically to the address. And that was, again, a call that was at Staples. It will take you directly to the address. If you want, once the call's over, you can go back to find, and it comes back up. Another method to work on your calls, if you don't type this in, you know where you're going, you can start the GPS. Some ride with the GPS on, others do not. I specifically do not. So, for example, we get dispatched to a call on Inverness Drive. I know where that is. What I will do is drive to the call, and then once I arrive on scene and begin my size up, I will click on Start GPS. And that will take us specifically to Inverness Drive. So I will know exactly where Inverness Drive is. I can start making decisions on hydrants, apparatus placement, and so forth. We could also check, if you don't know the exact address, you can go to intersection. And the intersection tab, you could look at, you could type in, for example, let's do INV. So we've got Inverness Drive, and automatically the intersecting streets will pop up in the window below, right in this location. So Inverness Drive at Dalkeith, we've had some incidents in Dalkeith. You just click go, and it will take you to the corner of Inverness Drive and Dalkeith. Additionally, on the computer, we do have several other things. We have facilities that have been placed on the computer. Facilities, what we mean by that is some pre-plans. There's about 26 pre-plans. We will click on here at Emeritus at Creekview. Again, you could select go. It will come up to the exact location of Emeritus at Creekview. What we can do here is zoom into the facility. There's several things that we did put on. We have the locations of the Knox box, the alarm panels, the APs, and the FDC. Additionally, I have an icon that was placed here. The icon, you could click on Info and then click on the icon, and it will bring up a more detailed pre-plan. And what you do is you click on Open, and you will see this screen comes up, Emeritus at Creekview, and then you could click on Documents, and then Open Document. It is a QAP, Quick Access Pre-Plan of Emeritus at Creekview that is a PDF file that has more details on Emeritus at Creekview, on what engines should do, some of the locations, because it is a significant hazard for us, and things like that. So it does give you some more information. You just close that out. You can close that information out, and again, pictures of Emeritus at Creekview. And then you can go back to Find, go back to Address, and you're ready to go.